So this happened to me this morning. As I was driving along, this Mercedes S500 Coupe came out of nowhere. Now let's go back and see what happened. As you can see, I was making a right turn at a set of lights here. After making a right turn, the right lane normally gets pretty jammed up. So when it was safe, I changed to the middle lane. From afar, I did notice the Mercedes, but I was fully expecting it to just go to the left lane. But instead of doing that, he's jumped to the middle lane instead. And not only that, as we approach a set of red lights, he's decided to cut me off as well. To the best of my knowledge, he would be 100% at fault if we were to get into an accident, but clearly he doesn't think so. So what do you guys think? Let me know. And here it is again. Now, normally this is not the type of content I do, but this Mercedes has really got my blood boiling this morning. So yeah, enjoy and let me know what you guys think.